Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about Injective and I'll provide you an update of price analysis since my last video, and I'll put a link into the description down below my previous video about price analysis of this token. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow and it helps in YouTube algorithm. You can give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. In the last 2 or 3 minutes of this video, I'll also discuss about Bitcoin status because, as you well know, Bitcoin influences the whole crypto space. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 13 June 2024 and right now Injective it is at about 30.61 US dollars. The market cap it is around 2.85 billion US dollars and it's situated on 35 position here on CoinMarketCap, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is around 295.62 million US dollars and it's situated on 37 position here on this platform. I believe that the market cap it is pretty impressive if you ask me. The volume is also okay, and let's see also about the all-time high that was put it recently on 14 March 2024, about 3 months ago. Here it is 52.75 US dollars. Okay, let's go to TradingView and see the INJ token analysis, and here we have Injective paired with US dollar at 1 day, and the chart it is from Binance at the end of February this year. I put it this descending channel that you see here, and this token price followed this channel pretty well between December 2023 till the end of February this year. After that we had that climb in price. We have here a high and a higher high, and this higher high it was actually the all-time high that was put it on 14 March 2024, and on Binance as you can see it is 52.97 US dollars, almost $53. And after that we had a correction. Let's measure minus 64% in 30 days, and a flash crash also that it is specific to most altcoins. And let's measure in this case of Injective it is around minus 48% in just a few days. Okay, and after this flash crash we had a sideways movement. Right now the price it is about $31. This channel I'll delete because it is no longer necessary. Okay, and since the fall of 2023, in this case we have a minimum here on 11 September, we have an overall increase of about 730% in 186 days. That is pretty impressive if you ask me. The all other increases I measured in my previous video, and you can check my previous video into description down below. And I think that it is important to see also the status of simple moving averages here on daily. In this case I'll put the 20 and 200 SMA, and as you can see the price it is above the 20 daily simple moving average, and it held it as a support recently since 5th June this year. The superior side or the resistance it is 200 daily simple moving average that is currently at 32.06. and why I choose the 200 daily simple moving average, because if we look back, as you can see this 200 daily simple moving average hold it very well since January 2023. Since then the price rised and hold it at a higher level than 200 daily simple moving average. Tested a few times on September and also on October 2023 as a support. As you can see here, tested as a support, and we have a bounce, we have another bounce here and also another bounce here, and after that the price took off. Since that flash crash that happened in April this year, the price movement it is below this 200 daily simple moving average. Tested here as a resistance. We have a rejection from this level, and right now it seems that wants to test again, and we have from yesterday a wick that went above this level. You can see clearly here. Okay, so that's the whole situation. Right now the price it is in this channel that it is formed between the 20 and 200 daily simple moving average. It is important from my point of view to go above the 200 daily simple moving average, and after that it can have some chances to retest the previous all-time high that was about 3 months ago. an increase from this actual level to the all-time high, it will be somewhere around 70%. It will not be such an impossible thing to do if Bitcoin prices holds its actual level and Bitcoin dominance will decrease. We will see what will happen. Okay, let's look on other indicators here on daily, and for this I'll use the stochastic RSI and the RSI. Stochastic RSI, as you can see here, it is bullish, it is in overbought area, and RSI, it is also bullish, it is an ascending trend, so everything here looks okay. Let's move out on other time frame, on weekly, and see what's going on here. And as you can see, stochastic RSI start to increase a little bit, starts to become bullish, and RSI the same thing. It tested its own moving average and went a little above this level, as you can see clearly here. Okay, we can look also on the 20 weekly simple moving average and see what's the situation in this case. I personally consider the 20 weekly simple moving average an important indicator that can tell us that the price momentum is bullish or bearish. Since January 2023, overall, the price stood most of the time above this level since recently when we had that flash crash, and right now, as you can see, the price is testing the 20 weekly simple moving average as a resistance. Also, another time when the price stood below this 20 weekly simple moving average, it was from August 2023 till September 2023, so a few weeks. But overall, as I told you, the price stood above this level, tested a few times, as you can see here on March 2023, tested as a support, and here also on June 2023, tested as a support. Okay, we will see if that will happen. It is important also to exceed the 20 weekly SMA to keep the market structure that formed since January 2023, and it is in this case pretty similar with 200 daily simple moving average. Okay, let's look on other indicator, for example the 50 weekly simple moving average, and see what's going on in this case. And as you can see, the price stood since the end of January 2023 above this level, tested just 2 times here on April, the beginning of April this year, and also here on May as a support, and as you can see, the price holds pretty well above this level. Let's look on another time frame, on monthly, and see what's the situation in this case. And here we can see an oversimplified chart. The general trend, it is clearly upwards. The overall trend, it is something like this since the fall of 2022, and we can say about this since the inception, since October 2020. Clearly the chart, it is upwards. Okay, and if we look here on the 10 monthly simple moving average, in my previous video I also checked this indicator, and as you can see right now, the price, it is above this level. So 10 monthly simple moving average, 20 weekly simple moving average, and also 50 weekly simple moving average is important, and also 200 daily simple moving average. From my point of view, those are the most important indicators to look when we look on the chart of Injective. Okay, and if we look also on stochastic RSI and RSI and see what's going on in this case, stochastic RSI on monthly, it is bearish, it is in downtrend, but RSI on monthly, it is slightly upwards, it is slightly bullish. I believe if RSI will reach the overbought area and the stochastic RSI can turn, I think that we can see some bullish momentum on this token. Let's have a few measurements. From this bottom to this top, we have an increase overall of 785%, more or less, and from this bottom to this all-time high, we have an increase of about 700, almost 700%. And if this pattern will hold, I think that we'll have another pump that it is somewhere around $700. Let's measure from this bottom to, let's see where it is, 700%. So it will be an increase up to $152 if this pattern will continue. I don't know if it is possible or not. Leave some comments into the comment section down below. and tell me what's your opinion about this prediction. I repeat, I don't know if it is possible or not. This is not a financial advice. If you invest your money into something, you should do a proper research. That is very, very important. If the price will fall, I believe that the first support, it will be somewhere around $20. And also you can see the previous indicator that I discuss in weekly and daily. Okay, and let's discuss a little bit about Bitcoin today, 13 June 2024, and right now Bitcoin, it is at 67.5k. It is in a sideways movement since the end of February this year, but as you can see, it followed this superior side of this channel since 20 May 2024, in that it tested as a support and also as a resistance. Right now it is on this channel, it is below this superior side, and I think it is important also to look on the 50 daily simple moving average here on Bitcoin. Right now 50 daily SMA, it is 65.9k, almost 66k. Okay, and let's look also on Bitcoin dominance, that it is today at 55.57%. This is a weekly chart, as you can see here, and I put also the 20 weekly simple moving average, and it follows pretty well since late of 2022. It went just a few times below this level, but overall, as you can see, it holds pretty well this level. We will see what will happen also with Bitcoin dominance. It is very important to follow also Bitcoin dominance because the altcoin market depends on this. And if Bitcoin dominance will fall, I believe we will see some impressive movement on altcoins. We will see if I'm right or wrong. Okay guys, that's it for today. What do you think about Injective? Do you have in your portfolio? Do you believe this token will perform well in the next altcoin season? You can leave some comments into the comment section down below. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and till next time, be well and see you soon. Take care.